This is class 7. Subject is English. Lecture number is 24. Pages of the book are 90 and 91. Lesson number 16. Topic is exercise of the lesson 16. Part A, B and D. Past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense? Past continuous tense is used to show an action that continued for some time in the past. That continued for some time in the past. Here, part A. We start with the part A. Make up complete sentences saying what happened when the following were taking place. Example is given. Coming to school. Given part is coming to school. As I was coming to school, I met my teacher. As I was coming to school, I met my teacher. Now we come to the first part. Number 1. The given part is having breakfast. The given part is having breakfast. As I was having breakfast, the doorbell rang. As I was having breakfast, the doorbell rang. Second given part is leaving home. As we were leaving home, the guest arrived. As we were leaving home, the guest came. Third given part is getting on a bus. As I was getting on a bus, the bus started. As I was getting on a bus, the bus started. Fourth part given is approaching the school. When the bus was approaching the school, the accident took place. When the bus was approaching the school, the accident took place. Next given part is greeting my friends. Greeting my friends. When I was greeting my friend, someone called me. When I was greeting my friend, someone called me. Listening to the headmaster. Given part is listening to the head. When the students were listening to the headmaster, a stranger came in. When the students were listening to the headmaster, a stranger. Next part is entering the classroom. When the teacher was entering the classroom, all the students stood up. When the teacher was entering the classroom, all the students stood up. Next is reading a book. When she was reading a book, the light went out. When she was reading a book, the light went out. In the B part, use the past continuous tense to say in complete sentences what you were doing at these times. First one is at 10 o'clock yesterday morning, second at 1 p.m. yesterday, third at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, yesterday, fourth at 9 o'clock yesterday evening, fifth at 3 o'clock this morning, at 6:30 this morning, seventh at 7:30 this morning, at eighth one is at 8:15 this morning. Different timings are given and activities say that what were you doing at these times. Answers are given here. Number 1 is I was working in my office at 10 o'clock yesterday morning. I was working in my office at 10 o'clock yesterday morning. Number 2, I was having dinner at 1 p.m. yesterday. Third, I was reading a book at 4 o'clock in the afternoon yesterday. Next, I was having dinner at 9 o'clock yesterday evening. Fifth part is I was sleeping at 3 o'clock this morning. We were coming back from a morning walk at 6:30 this morning. We were taking tea at 7:30 this morning. I was going to the academy at 8:15 this morning. Here is the D part of exercise. Supply the past continuous tense of the given verbs. Within the bracket, verbs are given and we will use these verbs in past continuous tense and then fill in the blanks. She the piano when I came in. The given verb is play. She was playing piano. She was playing the piano when I came in. He saw a snake while he in the garden. The given verb is walk. He saw a snake while he was walking in the garden. As he on his bicycle, his foot slipped. As he was getting on his bicycle, his foot slipped. Fourth part, when I left home this morning, it was raining. When I left home this morning, it was raining. When the car was last seen, it north. Given verb is travel. When the car was last seen, it was traveling north. It was traveling north. Sixth part, she burned herself as she some chicken. Given verb is cook. She burned herself as she was cooking some chicken. Seventh part, the little girl when he jumped in to save her. The little girl, the given verb is drown. The little girl was drowning when he jumped in to save her. As the ship into the harbor, one of the passengers fell overboard. The given verb is coming. As the ship was coming into the harbor, one of the passengers fell overboard. Ninth part, well, I to him, the wind blew his hat off. Well, I to him, given blank is there. Well, I was talking to him, the wind blew his hat off. 10th part, a car knocked him down as he the street. The given verb is cross. A car knocked him down as he was crossing the street. As he was crossing the street. This is all about the use of past continuous tense.